Hi, this is a video on remote topic and how it works. For this, first we need to visit the site oem.marmanayam.com. In this, pass the username, password, and log into this. So, after logging in, on the left hand side, we'll be having generate new unit. So, select that, and from here, select any one of the manufacturer and models. Select ATS endpoint yes and click on generate. So here we'll be having all the thing name, access key, and the download link to download the certificate. So click on this download button so that the certificate will be downloaded for this particular unit with this thing name. So I've already downloaded the certificate. So here this is the downloaded certificate. So we need to extract this certificate and we'll be getting this file like this. Here we'll be having all the CA file, CERT, PRIV file, the config. So can open this config. So here we have all the endpoint, thing name, access key, all these details. So next need to visit the Postman collections. So the Postman collection here under the binding folder we have get bind shadow and get bind remote. Go to get bind remote folder. So here pass all the URL https ap.marmanayam.com ap/v2/unit/unit id that we generated through OEM. So that unit id we need to pass and bind/remote and send the request. So here we'll be getting this response with all this endpoint, access key id, all these details. So next need to visit the web URL, that is om.marmanayam.com test/remote.html, this page. So when we open this page we'll be getting all these fields: ATS endpoint, region, access key ID. So from the Postman we need to add all the details here. So first we need to add ATS endpoint. So here we have endpoint ATS. So I need to copy this and paste it here. And next is the region. So this is the region. To copy this and paste it here. Next is the access key ID. So this is the access key ID. Copy this, paste here. Next is the secret access key. So this is the one. And next is the session token. So need to copy this whole thing. And next, assume role ID. This is the assume role ID. And next, to pass the topic name, it is the data/thing name and the remotes. In the place of thing name here, going to pass the thing name. So this thing name need to pass here. So we have entered all the details here. So first we need to subscribe to the topics. So for to subscribe to this topic, need to click on this green connect and subscribe to broker button. So when we click on this, in the logs we can see this got subscribed to this topic and it got connected. So next, to publish the topic we'll be using the NQTT FX tool. Through that will be publishing the topic. So you can open this MQTT FX tool. So here we have this settings button, so click on this. So here we have all the details to enter. First one is the broker address. Before this, we need to open this config file, the certificate that we have downloaded. So here we have config, so open this config. So here we have endpoint, so need to copy this endpoint and need to pass it here in the broker address. And next is the port, so we need to pass this port number. And next is the client ID. Here we need to pass the thing name, so this is the thing name, so we need to pass this here. Okay, all this. So that's all in this general tab. So next is SSL TLS. Here we need to browse and import all the certificates. So first we need to browse here and import the CA file. So to add this, and next need to import CERT file, and next here need to import PRIV file. So all this got added. I need to click apply. OK, so this will be added. So have added the certificates. So next, after adding the certificates, you need to click on connect button. So you'll be getting the green light here, so that it got connected. And here we need to pass the topic name that will be getting this from the web URL. So from here we have the topic name. So this one we need to pass it here, and the message from here. So can pass any of the message here. So now I have passed message testing. So we need to click on publish button here. So you can check in logs, so that it will get a message successfully published message. So like this we can publish the topic through MQTT FX tool, and it got published. Now we can go to the web URL and check. So in the logs, in the logs you can see the message that we have published, the message testing. So this is the way we get the message from the device to the web. So we have other way where we get the message from the web to the device. So for this, first we need to visit the MQTT FX page. Here we have subscribe tab. So click on the subscribe tab, and here we need to pass the topic name. So this is the topic name. Here need to pass this topic name and click on the subscribe button, so that this topic got subscribed. So next we need to publish the topic. For that we need to visit the web page test./remote.html. So here we have send command. So this field is used to publish the topic through the web. So you need to click on this button. Signed, can go to MQTTFX and you can check the logs here. We can see the message that is published. So in this way we can